anyone ever found something inside a wall while remodeling your house or doing any repairs? Anything interesting? What did you find?
We found a little Band-Aid box from probably the 60s and a little toy pull.
Huh.
Yeah.
That wasn't around. I found under a tree an old match.
Interesting. We always find some weird things. I guess one of the tour groups said they found when the children were younger, I guess the brother hid his beer and forgot where it was, and next thing you know, they found it about 30 years later. It's like, alright.
Is there still some in it?
I don't know, I wasn't on that tour, but that would have been fun to hear. Sometimes this is just newspapers for installation, but other times the items placed in the wall are specifically to protect the home from spirits. Such is the case with the house on Harrison Street. In the 1990s, a man came to the History Center with the old child's shoe. He found the small shoe wrapped in an Anoka newspaper from 1902, inside the wall when he was doing some remodeling work in the house. We were curious and found that there is a folklore about placing shoes in walls. The tradition says spirits enter a house at the weakest point, such as the casing around a door or window. To keep spirits out, a worn child's shoe was placed in the wall beneath a window casing or beside a door frame. And I will let you guys see the shoe that he brought in. I'll start down here first, so it makes its way around. We don't know exactly how or why this tradition started, but the earliest concealment shoe dates back to the 1500s. It is also generally always a child's shoe, perhaps thinking that the power and innocence of young would be strong enough to defeat evil spirits from entering the home. We looked into the history of the house, and the family who lived there at the turn of the century suffered tragedy when 2 small children died from illness in the house. Was the shoe the man found in the wall placed by a distraught mother who had lost her 2 children? Might it be her way of trying to appease some spirits and keeping away more tragedy? The Anoka County Historical Society has 3 concealment shoes in its collection found in houses throughout Anoka. Who knows how many more shoes are to be found? Alright, I'll let that go around and then we'll head up to the armory so I don't catch up to the 7 o'clock tour.
Look at that. That's some leather. Look at that leather.
Pretty old.
I don't like that show. I gotta ignore it.
Did everybody else see the show?
I don't like the shoe.
That's what happens when you find old stuff.
I don't like that shoe. Imagine if you could like abandon the house.